So he's wearing a chain and his chain's wearing a chain.
Yep. Just a whole nigga, bro. He got respect what we get. In America.
Right.
I need to make that a rule. No inside.
No inside.
Respect what we get. Turn it up, bro. We gotta end it all good, man. But you know why we here. We here for that Slimesito up. It's Icebox, man. It's legendary.
It's Vivo, man. That boy Slimesito. Pipe and glass. Hey, you know that, brother. I'm outside, right, and it's a creative player out there, right? I'm walking, but he's staring at me, right? So I walk right past him. But I'm just staring at him, right? But I keep walking. He gonna say, you ain't gonna say excuse me? But I'm thinking he talking to somebody else, but you know I just got out of prison, so I'm just ignoring her, you feel me? I'll just keep walking, right? Yeah. So he just keep saying it. So I'm like, bro, what is, I'm like, bro, what's your problem? I'm like, you got a problem? Like, I just, man, on the 10, I just push straight up on that boy, like, bro, you got a problem? Like, you clutching, you doing all that?
I'm about to get a Sito tour. Y'all wanna come to the tour?
How you doing?
Well, how are you?
So here for our jewelry design process, we do everything in-house. So starting from our CAD designs, what we call a render. Like I said with your design, you send it to us. We're gonna put our own little spin, sauce on it. We did the first medallion for Drew. Of course, we got the newest one for Drewski from his little series with Ugliest Rapper Alive and all that. Facts. You don't want the wrong folks opening up your watch. So we put it through the ultrasonic cleaner first. The vibrations break up all the dirt. We use what we call a lost wax method. So kind of like, you remember back in the day with Play-Doh, put like a figure over it and leave the shape. So it's essentially like that. We pour the gold into it and it breaks away the wax mold. So this is our visual media team. How you doing, Brendan? We got Exactly, yeah. So everything you see from YouTube, IG, any reels on TikTok, this is where the magic goes down. We got our New York Times. We're one of the only jewelry companies ever to be posted in the New York Times. It's just us and Tiffany. Now we offering plain Jane watches. Normally we used to only do it for our VIP clientele, but we were able to expand our operations, so we offer it to all our clientele now. So everything you see over here is going to be factory set. Exactly. So if you see a diamond in it, that's from Hublot. Facts. That's from Rolex. That's from Audemars. Yeah, tell me. Oh, let's go. How you doing like that? How you lie to me like that? You have it, bro. Yeah.
Tell them boy stop playing with us, man. Y'all the real one. Everything Icebox.
Y'all want to see some rings.
Crazy. You got the baguette cuts, center, round cuts on the side. Baguettes on the side.
Yeah, the baguette hard. I like the baguette.
Crazy. We only work with solid, like we only do solid golds. So as you can tell,
This one for the low round?
Yeah. Very rare you see a bust down presidential. But this is one of my favorite pieces on the band. We got solid chairs. Yeah.
Ready?
Don't show it to me yet.
Right?
Yeah.
Don't show it to me, y'all not ready. Oh, that's super good. Oh, that crazy. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice.
So it's 3.5. Black
Can I
diamond.
touch it? I can most definitely with that vent with that double down, right?
That's definitely.
Gotta have this.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah, cause I don't want no big ass chain. You know?
Yeah. Nah, you can wear this
I feel
wherever.
like that could.
Or if you ever want to wear a dolo, that would be smooth too. Yeah.
I need some more of that clean stuff because I be cleaning it sometimes.
We had to soak them.
We're coming out with like a little mini sonic cleaner.
For
You can do
real?
when you travel.
Oh, that's super.
And like a pen that'll help you scrub.
She just surprised me, right?
Oh my gosh. I ain't even know what it was in.
Oh yes, so she worked the move on both ways.
Oh yeah.
That's why I check out.
It's gonna be 14 karat yellow gold. I like the solidness of this.
Yeah, all the rings solid too.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
This thing, yeah.
That's the one you wear by itself.
Yeah. But you know your jewelry, bro. For sure.
I'll be into that.
Yeah,
Even
I
like
already
before
know
I had this.
Yeah, Yeah, you
Looking
always.
at, that's how I know what they get. Like, you know what I mean? I got some earrings.
Yeah, these are our two most popular, the mosaic and the flower cluster.
Beat up on Icebox right now, man. Rich line glowing, man. Jefe, Slimesito at the cut. Slimesito on the way, bro. I'm drumming that shit soon, man. Stay tuned. For the game. Everything on the way, Black Wall on the way, Hustle's on the way, man. New Slimesito piece on the way. Know that, Rich Slime. RG pieces on the way. Everything on the way, man. Pick it up.
So then after this, we'll do another tweak, and then once you do the deposit, we print it in wax for you. So you're gonna get like the 3D CAD rendering of all the coloring and the dimensions, and then we'll do the wax. I'll be back.
Yeah, 50 up, Rich Slime, man. What's going on, man? Global pretty gang from Guada Free Hatchway.
Diamonds and diamonds. You know how they got dad hats? These dad watches. I just had a baby, so I gotta go this route.
What's going on, man? You feel me? Y'all make American Slime again.
Yeah, man, I'm part of my part of Guala, part of Huncho.
He said the cuffs and the shoes are already baguettes. It's just hard to see because it's...
It looked like it was right here, but not the shoelace.
Shoelace? Okay, no problem.
The shoe will get crazy.
You don't have any watches yet, son? Do you like
Yeah,
rose gold?
I want like a plain chain. Yeah, I like rose gold.
Well, we just got this new one. I literally put it out today. And I really like it because it has the black leather strap.
It look like the RSG chain and the and the man. Damn, I thought it was more than that.
How much do you think it was?
I ain't
Oh, it's
gonna
gonna be
lie.
like 35.
Yeah.
So Frank Bueller is classic, timeless, pretty elegant, but it's more of like a collector's watch. People who know. You want to try that one on or this one? This one or this one?
That one. Yeah, you see like this is hard.
It's very OG, like.
Gotta stack something like this though.
So these are very unique. It's not like your everyday Cubans, tennis. These are Figaro's and this is Byzantine.
How much is Byzantine for?
I think that one's like 25.
Yeah?
Because they're solid too.
Oh,
Thick,
okay.
yeah. So everything here is solid 14K and VS quality.
Yeah.
Nothing SI.
It's not even allowed.
Yeah, in America.
Right.
I need to make that a rule. No inside allowed.
No SI. You like all the changes? So we have the gold gun. This is going to be yellow gold setting too. It's just when you're doing the edit on the Photoshop. So the next round of this, when you get a 3D render from the actual engineer team, you're gonna be able to actually see outlining the gold content.
Is the t-shirt rose?
It's not rose yet.
No, it don't need no green right here.
You're good? Okay.
Yeah, I don't want no money at all right there.
Okay.
But these are yellow, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the shirt just need to be rose, and I think that need to be a strip of baguette too, in between it. I don't know if that could fit. Let me see it now. Can you see something?
Yeah. Probably better if I edit this one. So this.
You see how it's like a line?
These
I was
ones.
gonna baguette that, and then rose the two top.
Okay.
Rose that, then baguette that, baguette that.
Baguette.
Just to separate that yellow. Yeah,
Okay.
that's the only detail.
I'll be back. I'll be back.
No, I like the process. You got a vision already.
Yeah, I gotta write that shit later. I gotta make sure I like it exactly how
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'm feeling this.
Perfect.
Yep.
It'll be clean. The baguettes are gonna be really nice.
I just noticed you're a hoodie, man. That's enough hoodie.
I had this hoodie before you even drop like that, you know?
Yeah, they ain't hip neither, man. We using the go yard as the wallet now.
Yeah, right?
You know what I'm
saying?
saying? Using the go yard as the wallet.
That's a
Rich
rich
line.
Baguette family.
Gonna make history again. Oh God.
So he's wearing a chain and his chain's wearing a chain.
Yep.
That was really his idea. Y'all told me it, but he been telling me to do that.
Another great year, another
Another great
legendary
year.
purchase, another legendary. Everything we doing legendary.
More
So
than-
we gotta keep
More than
talking to this.
before. More than before.
Oh
More
God.
than before, period.
So what made you start rapping?
Really, bro, just being around the right people. We all been five, but it was just the right time for us to start dropping music. We really did it at the right time.
You said all of y'all rap, so how many of y'all is it?
5 was for Hunchos, Guala, Beezy, Snake. 3 from Guala and Hunchos, though they locked up right now, but. Oh yeah.
Like 3 card monkeys.
Y'all sure y'all want to do that one?
It's similar. I mean,
Are you sure you want to do this? The jury on the line?
that jewelry case is on the
Are
line.
y'all sure?
All right, so I got the slime ring in here.
Oh yes, they already know. I ain't gotta look.
What?
You ain't got a what?
I ain't gotta look.
That's it right there too.
That's it. Okay.
That's it right there. That's it right there.
It's cat.
Damn.
I know which one it is. Oh God, I know which one it is.
How many
tries
This one.
It is?
You don't got us that one. Damn.
Dang.
See, we should have put a little more something on the line then.
Got him.
It was the stacks. The stacks.
You called me out at first, so I had to do something different.
Oh my God.
I was asking the last one.
Damn, this was the winning thing? And we still won. We team. We won.
Sito, this is Ruffy. He's one of the owners, right here.
Hey, how are you guys doing?
What's going on?
It's an interesting shirt.
Thank you.
What inspired this?
Oh, my friend really made it.
Okay, that's cool.
He made it like a couple months ago.
Just started his custom today, so he's about to get his
Lovely,
Icebox
we're
custom.
excited. What's your name, man?
Thermal.
Thermal, good to meet you.
What's
How are
your
you
name?
guys? Ruffy, how you doing?
What's up, bro?
I like what you do with the place.
Oh, thank you, man. We're
Big fan of
You got candy?
the Icebox.
Oh,
You got
yeah.
amusement games in the back?
Got everything, man. Thank you. Good to meet you, man. So how
You're
long till the
official.
customs ready?
We're gonna shoot for the Friday before the event, so that way it's his birthday week and he can get it at the party.
Alright.
So we're shooting for that.
Start working.
I like that.
Thank you, guys.
Rich line glow with you. Like that red carpet, green carpet with you. Rich line. We back in Icebox for the game, man. We need to turn it up, bro. We gotta end it all good, man. But you know why we here? Looking for that Slimesito.
It's like a proud mom.
I just
You ready, twin?
Yeah, I am ready.
You ready? Here goes the reveal.
Very excited.
Overly.
That's
Overly.
Damn,
Come on,
that
man.
only trim. Nah, that's the one.
Bro, we brought it to life.
Should've went to Icebox.
Should've went to Icebox, man.
That's
Tell
the
me.
one.
Damn.
Right.
This is probably the
so
most
hard.
detail-oriented artist I've worked with on the piece, man. I'm telling you, he meticulously took his time out to handwrite what stones he wants for what position,
Yeah, I
what
love it.
colors,
I love it. I love it.
and then we got the RSG chain.
chain,
Come on, man, on the slime, man. And we got the Jefe one, yeah, on the side, yeah.
That's damn.
That's crazy, right?
That's crazy. You already know what's going on. Man.
Yeah.
I just want to
Real.
the one, man. Appreciate you,
Smoothie.
bro. You see what this time I chat?
Chat, what y'all thinking?
God damn, that's hard. This is perfect, bro.
Bro, that's perfect, man.
Slimesito. Yeah, that's from Icebox, man. But get it. We having that dog shit on us in the Icebox. Know that, show that. I ain't gonna lie, I'm happy. Right, for Christmas? Merry birthday.
How's it going, man? Congrats on
man.
that
That
piece
piece
is
is
crazy, bro. Yeah. That piece is crazy, man.
What was going on? We in Icebox, man.
Yes.
Slimesito, man. Crazy change thing, man.
Chain gotta change.
Oh, game, man. He snapped. Should've went to Icebox, bro. I promise you, man. This is him. This a whole nigga, bro. He got respect with baguette. He got respect with baguette. Violence for diamonds, respect with baguette. Everybody pull it at Icebox. I'm trying. I'm gonna send it right.
How you feel about Brazil, bro?
It was fun as hell, bro.
Yeah.
With the right people, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it was fun. The
So
clothes
buddy.
fun. The show was fun.
Yeah. What's Broker? That's
Sito. Shout out Sito. We figured it out. You know, we in Icebox with it, man. New Slimesito chain. XTP shirt on when we in this motherfucker, man. I have this new chain. And it's baguette. Chain got chains. Chain got chains, all type of shit. See-through clip. Know that shit. I know Slimesito chain. Use up, man. Know that. Sito. 3 times, you already know how we rockin', man. Free the game. Free Black Wallet, free Blue Honchos, man. We in this Red Slime. Slimesito piece, man. Real logo. This is the first official logo, and we got it from Icebox. Gang, we locked in. I locked in with
Y'all
Icebox.
tapped in, man.